Boat Shipping Minnesota Premium Boat Transport. Boat transportation in Minnesota is a job for a professional team. It's no secret that DIY vessel transportation efforts usually end in complicated nightmares, complete with lost time and wasted money. While the price for a boat shipping project may seem significant, remember using professionals for the job is a wise investment. Vessel transportation isn't simple and needs to be done by those with deep experience and knowledge. A-1 Auto Transport has a remarkable reputation for successfully transporting a boat, working with all the needed third parties, and ensuring the project is safe and secure and the results are dependable. Our company provides several boat shipping methods. We can handle most vessel models, sizes, and destinations. Some highlights of our services include the following. International yacht shipping. Our firm is one of the leaders in global yacht transportation. Overland transport. We ship boats by highway nationwide with experience and skill, making sure they arrive on time and safely. Roll-on, roll-off. The shipping choice is a good fit for some vessel shipping jobs, providing a way to reduce expenses. A-1 Auto Transport is the best choice available in Minnesota for your boat shipping project. Our team is here to help.